We are concerned. In some ways, we're a small open economy, and conditions in our economy depends on the global economy, depends on trade conditions, depends on a strong demand for our goods. And if there is to be a trade war, if there is to be a slowdown in the global economy, that will affect us. And you see that in the capital flows at the moment.
Yeah, but some other emerging markets have decided, though, to hike rates quite aggressively. You have refrained from that, more or less. So
yes.
Is that something you would, though, consider going forward, given the seriousness of the sell-off?
We would have to see how persistent the currency weakness is and what its effect on inflation is. We've got some policy space. Unlike many of the other central banks, I think we've built up credibility. We did hike interest rates 2 years ago. And so we will have to assess the situation. But yes, it's certainly a possibility that if the currency weakness persists, we may have to hike interest rates.
Yeah, how concerned are you about the unfolding of that potential trade war? Because we don't really know yet what the effects will be, though the markets are already playing it as it was really severe.
Yeah. No, you're right, there's a lot of uncertainty. As a small open economy, we depend on trade for our growth. And if there's to be a slowdown in global trade, it will affect us. If China is impacted by tariffs, then they demand less commodities from us. It's a cycle. We contribute to the global value chain in a number of areas, from steel to motor vehicles. And so if there is to be an impact on those things, our economy will be impacted.
Yeah, at the same time, looking at the confidence indicator in South Africa, they also dipped to, I think, a 7-month low.
Yes.
I was reading. It's also on domestic effects, right?
Yes. After the election of the president in February, or the election of the president to the ruling party in December, there was a significant rebound in confidence, a significant improvement in confidence. That comes on the back of at least 5 years of very poor economic performance, rising mistrust between government and business. And the new president has certainly boosted confidence. However, that effect fades over time. And secondly, we now have global worries, global wobbles that are affecting confidence. So I think it's a combination of the fading effect of that euphoria and the global worries, and the depreciation of the currency has certainly contributed to weaker business confidence.
Hey everybody, it's Hadley Gamble from our new CNBC Middle East Bureau in Abu Dhabi. Thanks for stopping by. Now, to watch more, you can try one of the videos that just popped up on your screen. And don't forget to subscribe.